Okay doctor, I told you no, immunodeficiency के बिना PGI नहीं रहेगा, AIIMS नहीं रहेगा, NEET PG नहीं रहेगा. Tell me, both B and T cell defect, both B and T cell defect, where do you see? Who will give me the confident answer? Not just the T, but both B and T. A and B, Madhu proposes. Then Sumati says A and B, Karnul says A and C. Tirupati includes A, B, C. You want to also include D and E? Secunderabad commits very less by saying only A. A and C. Everyone who answered A and C, that is Karnul, is right. Anuja by mistake punched it as B. If you look at the combined immunodeficiency, both B and T cell defect, which conditions qualify that? Ataxia telangiectasia. Where is that located? It is not there in this. Wieskott-Alvich and severe combined immunodeficiency, not common variable immunodeficiency. They qualify as combined immunodeficiency of both B and T cell defect. Last time also we projected you immunodeficiency disorders, Job syndrome, everything. You should read, doctor. Now coming to cardiac silhouette in chest X-ray. It is caused by right atrium SVC, IVC, if you look at the cardiac silhouette. Then colposcopy can't visualize upper 2/3 of endocervix, but it can visualize the lower 1/3 of endocervix along with the vagina, lateral fornix, no big deal. Then hematocolpus, imperforate hymen is the classical underlying cause. Osteoporosis can occur if there is any deficiency of estrogen, and hirsutism is not a feature of hyperthyroidism but acromegaly, adenoblastoma, PCOD, androgen producing ovarian tumor like adenoblastoma is what need to be remembered. Okay doctor, give me one historical answer. Catgut comes from, let me see, any creative answer comes. This is also a PGI question, because entrance exam is shepherd's and butcher's exam. So Karnul says A. Cat, no, Karnul must be joking. Karnul must be joking. Chandrika, everybody say B, only Karnul says cat. I still remember somebody said, how do you treat rat poisoning? Answer was, give him cat poison so that that cat will go inside and kill the rat. So Karnul must be joking, yeah, I know, sheep. A pregnant lady, fulminant hepatitis is hepatitis C, but what is the tricky question about fulminant hepatitis? Most common cause of the fulminant hepatitis is what? Not E, B. But specifically in pregnant women, even in pregnant women most common is B only. But specifically in pregnant women, E has a higher proclivity. Khali Mahatak Kamitona. Now 18-year-old, primary amenorrhea, normal breast development, absent pubic axillary hair. Oh, we got tired in answering questions on testicular feminization, congenital adrenal hyperplasia. What else? Our favorite clips. One more condition. Congenital, these are the things, 17, 21, 11, 3 beta HSD. If you do mistake in these questions, my soul will be heaving in graveyard. So be very sure, revise and go and confidently answer. In anorexia, amenorrhea is seen, not menorrhagia, is what need to be remembered. Now, Manchester operation came our toughest topic in gynecology shop. Also called Fothergill repair. इसमें क्या करते हैं डॉक्टर? Anterior colporrhaphy, amputation of cervix, and then we will be suturing the curtains to the Macken rods, and then the raw area of that amputated cervix is covered with the vaginal mucosa, and you will be following it with colpoperineorrhaphy. The whole idea of the cervix amputation is the women wanted to have a preserved menstrual function. That's the underlying cause for which we do Fothergill. Is what elderly female postmenopausal, she doesn't want to have any more further sexual activity. You can do Lefort, because in Lefort you are almost closing, blocking the passage. Now, most important part of the post-operative management of VVF is what, doctor? That bladder drainage and preventing UTI is what you need to fundamentally do. Now, uterovaginal fistula, if it is there, often they present with continuous incontinence. So, you must know differences between stress, urge, and neurogenic bladder. All these different forms of which need to be remembered. Now, methylene blue 3 swab test. First, if you understand how are the connections are all made up, easy to answer. You are pushing the dye into the bladder, doctor. If it appears in the upper swab, that means all the swabs are there in vagina. So, bladder to vagina. So, vesico-vaginal fistula. Then, if it stains the lowermost one, it is urethra, urethro-vaginal fistula, and that's how you basically approach. And suppose if the swab does not take up any stain, but it is getting wet, that means from where is vagina getting the leakage received from? Urethra, bladder के ऊपर ureter है, uretero-vaginal fistula. That's what, if there is no staining, because the stain is in the bladder, is what need to be remembered. Abdominal hysterectomy, 3 साल का MD, what is the purpose? To remove a beautiful uterus without injuring ureters. Oh, काम अच्छी तरफ कर सके तो your life is made, doctor. 3 years of gynecs training is over. That day you will get a Kung Fu Panda certificate. Now you can go, your scalpel is safe on any woman's uterus without injuring her ureter. Unless your spouse is a urologist, he doesn't have business, he wanted to create some business, you can start a scam. Do hysterectomy, injure the ureter, send it to the spouse. So he has business, you have business, on a lighter vein. Okay, doc. Now, hysterectomy is indicated in the postpartum period. For which purpose? Generally, PPH is controllable. If it is uncontrollable PPH, then it becomes an indication for the hysterectomy. Now, doctor, gynecomastia, spironolactone, Klinefelter, cirrhotic liver, they are all known to be the important indications for causes of gynecomastia. Now, upper end of the sacrum to lower border of the pubis को क्या बोलते हैं? Obstetric conjugate or diagonal conjugate? Huh? Upper end is given, okay. Okay. What is the smallest pelvic diameter? Obstetrical conjugate is what need to be remembered. Yeah, there is a small correction which we will do. Now coming to the fetal head diameter, which is the biggest one, mentovertical, which is very large to negotiate. How much will be the Normal metavertical 14 centimeters, you will remember. Only one ala is called Naegeli's, two ala is called Robert. Very good. Then vertex presentation made is the lower left occipito anterior, which is the most common type. Upper 2/3 vagina involvement is classified as 2A. 2A or 2B? That's right. Then anterofontanel ossifies by 18 months. Huh? 18, that's good. Now, one shooter from PGI, tell me doctor, all the drugs are used in scabies except which one? Straight answer. You don't confuse between M, which is there in everything, gamma, permethrin, protamidone, tacrolimus. So we thought at least that M confusion will be there. No M confusion. Tacrolimus, that's good. Everybody correctly answers it as D, which is correct. Morose reflex will disappear typically by about 3 to 6 months, is what you need to remember. Then, I think this is to cheer you up for your exam. Rickets kyo aayega, kind of a question. Next week onwards, we will once more make the paper a little more tougher because continuously failing is bad. Now, malnutrition, all the three are basically used to clinically assess. Okay, doctor, give me one confident answer. 3 answers are there. Anti-MRSA drugs include what? And I know what is going to be the wrong answer you are going to give. I made up the mind while starting from the home. Yeah, tough papers only our students want. They say no more easy papers. Okay, agreed doctor. A, B, C, Madhu correctly says. Kiran says E. I know E is the wrongest answer. Wrongest answer you will be answering doctor. Yes, E is all the fix about PGI flick. Piperacillin tazobactam has no role on MRSA. Linezolid, Vanco, Daptino, yes, they do have a role, is what need to be remembered. In kwashiorkor, pitting edema is very, very sensitive, specific indicator. Prelacteal feed is ideally not suggested because breast milk itself is need to be started. There is no welcome drink given to the newborn baby. That welcome drink should be mother's milk only, which contains rich colostrum. Now, with regard to the scurvy, bleeding gums, hyperkeratosis, they are all the features, not the hypoglycemia, is what need to be remembered. I think this should be reframed as child of age 9 months, because 6 to 11 months, one dose of 1 lakh, 1 to 5 years, 2 lakhs international units every 6 months is considered to be the recommendation. And when do you want to initiate the breast feeding, doctor? Within half an hour, it need to be initiated.